Guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So finally today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated weekly cleaning routine. So this is something that I try and definitely stick to each week. It's a really nice routine just to help me keep on top of things on a weekly basis. However, sometimes life does get in the way and I maybe don't have time to do that chore on that day, but I try not to stress myself out about it. I'll just move it to the next day. This routine is based around a routine from a lady that I follow on Instagram called Clean Mama. I will link all her details down below. She has an amazing blog, and I think she also sells her own cleaning line of products in America. So she's definitely worth looking at, especially if you have a cleaning question or tip that you want to find out. She has everything over on her blog and also on her Instagram. But I found her routine to be really useful in, like I said, helping me keep on top of the weekly cleaning. And then a couple of bits I've based just around Mrs. Hinch, so the Freshen Up Friday I enjoy doing, and I really love the concept of the Freshen Up Friday. Obviously you don't have to do it on a Friday, you can do it any day you want, but this for me is a great day to just catch up on some cleaning things that maybe I haven't got in my routine and they're just extra things I want to do, like when I shared with you guys in Clean With Me videos. The chores that I make up for those videos are mostly things that I've wanted to do throughout the week, so I just write a list and then I will do them all on the Friday. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I really hope you enjoy this and find it helpful and motivating. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and let's get right into the video. I did want to quickly show you before we start with the routine this pin board. This helps me remember what I'm doing on each day with regards to the cleaning, and this eventually is going to be hung in this cupboard. This is going to be my laundry cupboard. I do at the moment have our wash baskets in it, but then I will hang this above the radiator, and also we're going to put some shelves in here. Mondays are for cleaning the bathrooms, and I usually keep this simple and just focus on cleaning the toilets, sinks and bathroom mirrors. And then if I have time I will do a deeper clean, but if I don't, then I can add, for example, cleaning the shower to my Freshen Up Friday list to do then. Tuesdays are dusting days, and this is a nice easy one as I just go around the house with my Pledge fluffy duster and I just dust all of the surfaces in the house. I also wipe down all of the windows as well, and if something does have a stain or smear on, then I just go in with my blue cloth from the Spontex kitchen kit and a bit of washing up liquid and water mix to wipe it clean, and if it's glass or mirror I use the elbow grease window cleaner. Wednesdays are for vacuuming, and again I just take the Dyson around the house and hoover all of the floors. Sometimes I will split this and do the upstairs in the morning, and then before I go to bed I will do all of the downstairs, but either way it's just nice to get it all done in one day. Mopping the floors is Thursday's job, and this is something I tend to do in the evening before we go to bed. That way they have time to dry out overnight and no one's stepping on the floor. And for this I love using the Violida spray mop, as it's just so easy, quick and convenient. As I mentioned at the start, Fridays are for freshening up and getting small bits done that I've been adding to my list throughout the week. Overall, this can be anything from a single big deep cleaning job or a mix of small chores all around the house, depending on the time I have to spare that day. Saturdays I like to put all of my towels and kitchen towels in the wash and change them all up for fresh ones. Then, as well as this, I've started to dedicate Saturdays as my plant watering day, so I can water all of the house plants on the same day, and that way I remember which day I've watered them on each week, as before I was doing them all on different days and it was getting a bit confusing. Finally, on a Sunday, I like to strip and wash the bed sheets and put on new, fresh ones to start the week off right. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if it motivated you to start a weekly cleaning routine. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!